Hello there. If you are beginning your career in business analysis or looking to improve upon the skills you already possess, some business analyst tools can help you to do that. In this video, we are going to list the tools used by a business analyst and also explain why you need them in your toolbox. Let's get started. Everyone has Google as their search engine, but not everybody is aware of all its capabilities. Google Docs make it possible for you to share files between members of your team easily. Not only is sharing easier, but it also gives the users access to edit the file without having to start over. This is useful if you have got a project that needs continuous works from people at various locations. Another bonus you will find when using Google Docs is that the range of formats you are able to save your work as is endless. If .docs doesn't work for your computer, you can easily download the file in .pdf format and open it from there. As a business analyst, another tool that you will find useful is Jira. The purpose of Jira is to act as an agile software that aids in tracking of epics, stories, and bugs that could disrupt project processes. Jira can be used to create plans and implement them to improve the current software that is being developed by your team. It is also useful when one department needs to collaborate with another regarding the next phase of the project while staying on the same page. You can also use this tool to depict various data collected throughout the project during meetings in several formats. TRELLO is a newer application that has proven to be an incredible asset for business analysts worldwide. The reasoning for this is that TRELLO helps to implement and improve communication between team members. If you are in the business world, by now you are aware that the team collaboration is the key and driving force of successful companies at any level. TRELLO makes it possible for team members to share information between the groups without fear of a data compromise. It is also a useful way to show the order of the projects and tasks that the team must assign or complete. For example, if the administration assigns a project to a specific team, they can upload the information and project parameters to a project card. The team can then access everything they need on that card and enter the data that the project calls for. TRELLO also allows for edits to be made without opening or downloading other files. After a project is completed, the team can move the card assigned to them to the Needs Editing section. The next team that is a part of the editing group will either pass it forward for completion or send it back for edits to be made. MS Office is one of the oldest, most useful business analyst tool you could use. There are several features that MS Office comes with that will fit any need you have. If you need to keep track of income deposits and withdrawals of your company, this can be easily done by using MS Excel tool. Excel is also a great tool when you need to track various pivot tables, create charts, or examine various data trends. If your organization has a specific way that they want the business analyst to document their data, they can create their own template using MS Word. A newer function that you might find when using MS Office is MS Visio tool. WRIKE is a management software that is also cloud-based. The benefit of this tool is that you can make changes and updates from anywhere using the app, which is easy to use on various devices. This application mainly helps business analysts or administration set project requirements such as deadlines and processes that the team needs to be made aware of. It also allows the administration to keep an eye on the budget allocated to a specific project. When it's possible to save money, the company will seek to save money because you can use those funds in other areas or other projects. The business analysis processes can feature several charts, diagrams, and tables to depict the data collected. LUCID chart makes it easier to find the diagrams that make the collected data easier to understand for everyone viewing the report. BALSAMIQ. No, we aren't talking about the zesty dressing you put on top of salads. This tool is specifically used when you need to depict UI, user interface mockups of the systems that you might use in future business processes. This tool allows multiple people to provide input on the mockups. This tool can benefit business analysts, especially during the pandemic when working remotely might have made collaborating on the projects harder than needed. SQL is also known as a structured query language, which can help when it comes to communicate processes using specific database your company uses. It is useful for data manipulation, a common thing that occurs while you are in the testing phase of products. The benefit of using SQL is that you don't have to wait a long time for data to be processed, as the query speed is impeccable. It also uses language that is easy for all sectors of your company to understand, no matter where they are based. BPMN is another tool that helps you draw the diagrams needed to go through the various analysis you will conduct as a business analyst. This tool makes it easier to define different areas within the business process. INVISION. After coming up with a product idea, the next step is to create its design. This is another tool on our list that you and your team can use combined with other tools that you might currently be using. When you are making changes to the designs of your product, INVISION saves them. This could help you in the future if your team decides that one product design you created in the beginning ends up being better than a product design you created later on in the process. Slack is another tool that allows for team collaboration. Slack offers standard and plus options for businesses. If you opt for the plus version, you will have access to more features than you would if you were using the standard version. When using Slack, teams can save data files that other team members can access at any given time. You can also create multiple channels for teams to share information back and forth without missing a beat. The application also makes it easy to have solo conversations with other team members without everyone being bothered by the notifications. If you need to conduct team meetings, there is a virtual call feature that was added recently. We do recommend that your Wi-Fi connection is strong before attempting to host a large meeting. Did you enjoy this video? If so, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We post videos regularly on business analysis techniques, tools, and tutorials. Like and share the video. Thank you.